to customize lock screen on your Redmi Pad 2, start by opening settings and next you will have to go into personalization. Over here select lock style. Now just wait a little bit for the loading screen, and first of all we can set theme for our lock screen. So as you can see we get different clock styles, wallpapers. So basically select something that fits your preferences. In my case, let's say that I want to get this one with Xiaomi SU7. So I'm gonna click on it, and as you can see over here right now we are able to customize this specific one. So we can change the wallpaper effects. There's like a lot of them. Take a look. Let's say that I want to get this one, and we can also add the matte effect, and then by going back we can find font effects. So what we can do, basically we can change color of the font that we've got over here. There's the signature also, so it's located right here in the right bottom corner. And by going here we can also change its wallpaper, and that's everything that you can do in this specific one. You can also swipe up and down to pick specific, part of this photo. So let's say that I want to get like maybe this part, and then you have to click apply in the right upper corner and select to apply into your lock screen or into both of them. That's just up to your preferences, and now as you can see it's finished. Thanks for watching.